courtship, it didn't reach a stage where it was this suspense ki when I'll ask for marriage, it might be a yes or a no. We just knew from the beginning that this is extremely serious. It is that we are in this to look for something permanent, and we had that understanding. So marriage, to be very honest, it was not a question from one side and then an answer from the other. It was actually a discussion that we had, that okay, you know what, now what do you think, and we just discussed it into, okay, let's get married.
Why do you think Katrina wanted to marry you? What is it about you that even all the women in this country today on Twitter are seeing a video of yours where you're dancing to Riyaz Saab? Oh, viral कर रही हैं लड़कियां, marriage material, man written by women. What is it about Vicky that women find? And for that matter, let's talk about Katrina. What is it that Katrina loves in you?
I've asked her a few times because sometimes I don't believe कि ये क्या हो रहा है. But what she says is that, like, sometimes she gets very serious, and she said that to me on certain occasions, that I just feel like you have a set of values which I admire, and you are stubborn for those values and you protect those values, and I admire that, and I like that about you. So it was quite deep, but I was like, sounds good.
मैंने आपको बोले भी था फोन पे मैं बात कर रहा था कि ना एक ना सिम्प होता है, एक आइडिया कि जो ना जो लड़के सिम्प करते हैं.
हाँ, ये सिम्प होता क्या है? मैंने ये देखा ही इंटरनेट पे, वो सिम्पिंग एंड सिम्पिंग, पर मुझे मतलब नहीं पता कि सिम्पिंग क्या होता है.
So सिम्पिंग का टिपिकली मीनिंग यही होता है कि जो बहुत ज्यादा इमोशनली आप ना किसी को दे दो अपने आप को, एंड इट इज समथिंग दैट इज लुक्ड डाउन अपॉन. इट इज ऑलवेज सीन एज अ टीनेज थिंग कि यार सिम्प कर रहे हो किसी के ऊपर, आप बहुत जो है ना प्यार दिखा रहे हो, इट्स नॉट, हाँ, और एग्जैक्टली, और इतना मैस्कुलिन, इट्स नॉट सपोज considered a very masculine thing. On the other hand, मैं देखता हूँ कि Katrina also spoken about how when she was down on her birthday, you did a whole concert dancing for her. You sing her to sleep sometimes. Vicky, how are you as a husband?
I'm genuinely at a phase where I'm just trying to understand what being a husband is, and I learn every day. But all I know is that I want to see her smiling. Like, that is all that matters to me, and that is what I want to know. That whatever she's doing, wherever she is, in whichever mental space she is happy. I want her to be that person, that, she is just feeling happy. And when I see that she's not feeling that, I just don't care about anything else. Maybe I've not solved the situation, but if I could just make her smile, that's it. That's all that matters to me. And it's not that I succeed every time, but you keep trying, and that's what I think it's been truly been a a very evolving journey for me after marriage. And somebody had said very beautifully that it's not 2 points, this is me and this is my wife, and this is not 2 points coming together. It's never towards each other. We both walk towards a common point where there's a little bit of me and there's a little bit of her, and there's a new us that forms.
Beautiful.
And that is what we are searching for. So sometimes wo galti kya karte hain, we have to reach towards each other. We never have to reach towards each other. We have to reach to a place which is common, which is comforting for both of us, where there's a little bit of her and there's a little bit of me.
Are there any gender roles in your marriage that you're trying to unlearn or do differently as a husband? क्योंकि मैंने ना एक ना इंटरव्यू भी कटरीना ने किया था जहाँ बोला था कि you call her your panic button. कि she's the one who's anxious, and then and you're the one who calms her down. And then she also said about how she's learning to listen from you, which actually मैं सोच रहा था कि मेरी शादी में भी काफी वही है कि ज़्यादा Daisy is the one who's the one who gets anxious sometimes. I'm trying to be the calming energy, and I have, as a man, it's been very difficult for me to tell her that I also need space to be heard, because it's not something that used to come very naturally to me, and now I'm requesting for it.
I've been in the same boat. We used to laugh about it later, but our initial few arguments, I used to say, listen, I don't get to talk. And she's a person who loves to talk. And I'm a person who loves to listen, but when you are on two opposite ends and you're trying to come to an understanding, talk, listen, we both have to exchange that roles. So it was our internal joke that, more than I love you, these 3 words, the more than that I've said, let me talk. So these were the 3 magical words between the both of us, and we laughed so much about it. But हाँ, यही सब सीखा है. Then for me, when I'm troubled, when I feel agitated, when I'm feeling like कि listen, she's the person who wants to talk about it,
Yeah.
who wants to discuss it, and come to a conclusion and then solve it.
Yeah.
I am the guy. My biggest defense this thing is solitude. This thing is leave me alone. It is nothing against you. I need my space. I rework everything declutters and settles itself, and then I'll come back. And it's genuinely flushed out of my system. It's just that how we are as people, how individually we are. And that is what you keep understanding about each other.
But that's marriage. That's
That's
companionship.
marriage. Yeah, that's
I think
companionship.
I think the more you learn from each other,
Yeah.
I think you see each other grow, and I think that's what makes it so beautiful. I have to ask this: if you and Katrina had to do a movie, what kind of a role would you both want
Oh, wow.
as characters?
I know it's a hypothetical question, but I keep telling her कि अगर हमें कोई फिल्म मिले ना, तो ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स भी ऐसे होने चाहिए कि we are playing to our strengths. That I'll be the silent guy, you be the talkative person, and coming together. So I think we'll go in sync with what works for us. So yeah, but मैंने कहा कि that on that set there'll be 2 directors for me, because one director will be on set and फिर एक director होगा जो घर पे आके बताएगा कि ये सही नहीं किया और वो गलत किया और ऐसे होना चाहिए और वैसे होना चाहिए.
Or you could actually do the reverse, where you both play the opposite, because like you said, you can tap into that part of yourself as well.
That's a conflict you don't want to invite. Because on set, all the professionalism will be there, where I'll be the talkative person and she'll be the quieter person. फिर घर आके जब वो उल्टा हो जाएगा, फिर वो conflict हो जाएगा. But I think it should be played to the strengths.
Vicky, this is such a beautiful conversation. So we do kind of kind shout-outs and wholesome shout-outs.
Okay.
तो मैं ना कुछ आपको questions बोलूँगा, and you think of a man that comes to you in the industry, in your life, that you want to give a shout-out to.
Okay.
A man you find really sensitive.
Neeraj Ghewan.
A man who makes you blush.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Oh.
Whenever I see him, I go like...
A man whose mind fascinates you.
It was Irfan Saab. Whenever I hear him talk through interviews and whatever, it's just... I just feel like he's simplified everything.
Warmest hugger.
Moses Singh, my first director, director of Zuban, and the way he hugs is so passionate. He's a lovely guy.
The best listener among men, you know.
His name is Vivek Kamath. He's the owner of the management agency I belong to. Yeah.
A man who makes you feel safe around.
My dad.
That's sweet. A man who you find sexy.
I would say Saif Ali Khan. Yeah, he's a Nawab.
A man whose hard work you admire a lot.
Hrithik Roshan.
Funniest man you know?
Funniest man I know is Amritpal Singh Bindra. Our common friend.
True. Most expressive man you know?
Karan Johar.
It's true.
He's very expressive.
Man who has the best Riz game, which is charisma.
Shah Rukh Khan. Like, hands down.
A man who you have seen evolve and grow over the years.
That man in the mirror.
That's actually so true. On screen, who do you find as the man who has portrayed masculinity the best?
Ranbir Kapoor.
Why do you say that?
He doesn't underline pain, he doesn't underline aggression, he doesn't underline softness, he doesn't underline anything. He just, sometimes I've seen like an actor could play it with a different flair to that particular emotion or something, but he plays it just as that emotion is. Sometimes that I find very rare, and that I find very special about him as an actor.
Is there a man who lights up the room around you when you meet him?
Nikhil Taneja.
ये अब खत्म हो गया, ये शो की जरूरत ही नहीं है. I don't think we need to do further episodes. आपको beginning में promo मिल गया, मुझे भी end में promo मिल गया. This is my promo for me in life. Forget this show.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.